What's up, internet friends? Here's another episode of Tech Tuesday for you. Today we've got something really cool. It's one of the slickest audio solutions I've seen in a while, the TeamConnect Ceiling Mic 2 from our good pals over at Sennheiser. All right, so you might be saying, well, that's a really slick looking piece of tile, Cody, and you wouldn't be that far off. Let me explain. The TeamConnect Ceiling Mic 2 is an in-ceiling, practically invisible, high-end quality microphone system with loads of advanced features inside. One of the primary features is the active beam forming technology, which not only tracks who is currently speaking, but also eliminates unwanted background noise and ignores sounds from any dead zones that aren't relevant to the meeting, keeping that audio focused and clear. Covering 60 square meters of space with just one microphone, Sennheiser wanted to provide a solution that gives the user freedom to rearrange their meeting space and not be limited by space if they have particularly large boardrooms. I missed Arm Day a few years ago, so I'm going to set this down now. The microphone is installed inside the ceiling in a strategic position determined by us, the AV integrator. From there, it can be connected to a network or to an individual device with the use of Audinate Dante adapters. The user has access to Sennheiser's Control Cockpit software, which allows them to make adjustments remotely. These microphones are great for boardrooms, classrooms, meeting rooms, and we've even installed them in healthcare presentation centers. Anywhere that a group of people would gather for a conference, this system works to pick up each person so they don't need their own microphone. The TeamConnect Ceiling Mic 2 is a perfect example of what AV should be: discreet, effective, and user-friendly. These mics check every single box. I just love the whole concept of it. Your microphones are hidden in the ceiling, and they even make the ceiling look more futuristic. What more could you ask for? For more information on the TeamConnect Ceiling Mic 2, check out Sennheiser's website at Sennheiser.com. Thanks for checking in to another edition of Tech Tuesday. I'll see you next time.